Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Thursday, February 14th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude in New York rose to a one-month high as economic indicators from Asia and the U.S. calmed concern that a global recession is imminent. Crude is trading at $95.07 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York rose after the Energy Department reported U.S. supplies fell more than analysts forecast. Stockpiles fell 120 billion cubic feet to 1.942 trillion cubic feet for the week ended February 8th. Natural gas is trading at 8.663 per million British thermal units. Gold futures edged lower today, while platinum also dropped after hitting another record high of $2,030.60 an ounce earlier in the session. Gold is trading at $913.10 an ounce. Meanwhile, silver is trading at $17.355 an ounce. Today, we're joined by Flynn from Alaron. Phil, what is your outlook for the energy market?
Man, another explosive day for oil, getting up above $95 a barrel. Remember, last week this market was down in the 80s. An incredible turnaround for oil the last few weeks. This week, of course, we've been driven by weather. We've been driven by threats by Venezuela. But today, ultimately, we're being driven by threats by OPEC to cut production, as well as a very bullish number for the natural gas. It seems cold weather is raising demand expectations in a slowing demand environment. And the thought process is, with the cold weather, the increasing geopolitical risk, that oil is just too cheap. So back above 95. Now, this $95 barrel area is key. If we close above this, most people think we'll go back up and test $100 a barrel. If we don't close above $95 a barrel, and if this market reverses and closes lower on the day, we could be back at the 80s. This is a classic bull-bear knockdown, drag-out fight, and it's going to be interesting to see how the day ends. So stick to your screen and watch this one closely.
Thanks, Phil. That's all for your Commodities Open. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later for another update right here on etvFutures.com.